Hello and welcome to Penn State Up Close. I'm Justin, and today I'm going to show you how to use Delegated Access in LionPATH and Authorized Payer. Let's start with Delegated Access. This form of access allows students to share certain academic information with parents and guardians in the LionPATH Student Information System. The information that students can delegate access to includes financial aid, the student's class schedule, enrollment verification, grades, holds, and the to-do list. Your student must grant you delegated access via LionPATH and can add or revoke access at any time. If your student has granted you delegated access, you will receive an email with your login information, including your login ID and a temporary password. You will be prompted to change your password the first time you log into your delegated access account. To log into your delegated access account, you'll want to go to public.lionpath.psu.edu and click on the Delegated Access button. Then you'll enter your credentials. If you prefer, you can use your email address in place of your login ID when logging into your account. The Delegate homepage contains boxes for viewing each area of delegated access. If your student doesn't give you access to view a specific item, such as grades, then a message will show that you have not been granted access to this area. The Class Schedule box allows you to view your student's current semester schedule. You can access your student's class schedule by clicking on the semester displayed. If your student is not registered for classes in a current semester, a note will appear letting you know that there are no results to display at this time. The Financial Aid Awards box will allow you to see a snapshot of your student's financial aid package. You can click on Aid Award Detail to see your student's complete financial aid award summary for a given year, which will show you estimated expenses and financial aid. The Grades box will display the last 4 terms that your student attended Penn State. Selecting a term will display the grades your student received for that term. You can view grades for any term as well as the student's cumulative GPA by selecting View More Grades. The Hold box will show you the number of holds on your student's account. You can view the holds in detail by clicking on the View Holds button. The To-Do List box contains action items that need to be completed by the student. Items placed on this list could impact your student's ability to schedule for a future term, so it's important to resolve any outstanding to-do list items. Remember, Delegate Access allows you to see the student's to-do list, but only students can take action. In addition to showing you action items, the to-do list is also used to notify the student that we've received their FAFSA information. The Enrollment Verification box provides you access to print a statement of your student's academic information to be used for enrollment verification. For example, this may be required by your employer for your student to continue to receive your health insurance benefits. Now let's move on to Authorized Payer Access. This is separate from Delegated Access and allows students to designate bill-paying access to parents, guardians, or a third party. Authorized payers can see bill and account statements, make payments, enroll in a payment plan, sign up for text alerts, and save payment methods. Like Delegated Access, your student will need to grant you Authorized Payer Access on the Manage Account Make Payment page in the My Finances section of LionPATH. Once you've been given access, you'll receive an email with your login information. You can access Authorized Payer through the email or by going to public.lionpath.psu.edu and clicking on the Authorized Payer button. The first time you enter your login credentials, you'll be prompted to update your password. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Student Account Overview, which will show you a summary of the student's account. The menu on the left includes links to activity details, payment plans, making a payment, recent transactions, viewing and printing statements, and access to your 1098-T tax form. The only difference between Authorized Payer Access and Student Access is that students are able to set up e-refund. It's important to note that the activity details shows you current information on your student's account. However, statements will only reflect information as of the first date of the month when the bill was created and may not reflect the current student account information. If you have multiple students at Penn State and have been given Authorized Payer Access to view their accounts, you can link them by clicking on the View a Different Student link on the Overview page. You can either link to another student or toggle between linked students. That's a quick overview of how to use Delegated and Authorized Payer Access. Please remember that Delegated Access is for access to academic information, and Authorized Payer Access is for access to billing and payment information. It's up to your student to grant you the access that you need. As always, if you have questions, please reach out to your campus or email us at admissions@psu.edu.